guys, welcome to welcome. ダメだ。Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to Keigo Moriyama photography with Keksan TV. 俺絶対英語ダメだわ。
Okay guys, so today we are going to talk about the InstaMagny, whatever is the name, 35 for a Nikon mount. And today I have with me, together with Ken-san, this camera that is a Nikon FE, and we are going to use, of course, a box of Instax square. So let's have a look first of all what we can find inside the box. So let's start opening the box. As I say, this is for Nikon, and you can use it with the FM, FE, FM2, FE2, FA and FM3A model. And when we open the box, that is really well done. We found first of all the user manual that will explain how to use it, especially considering that even if the ISO of the Instax is 800, we have to consider it as it was 100. Then we open, and inside we found the part that will have the film inside. It's made with a slider, and then the button to turn on, off, and you can see the how many shots you still have, the place where you have to put the film itself, and the battery. And also there is the tripod mount here. In this box here instead, we found the cover for the camera with the lens. So let's mount it on the Nikon camera. And here, when there is this notch, you have to push it down in order to remove it. Then take the new notch, the new back, and pull down the notch, and automatically it's done. First impression seems that it's good quality. It's sturdy one, so should be okay. And then let's take the base and mount it. And it's on. Okay, let's put the film. Okay, so let's try for the second time. The first time the battery didn't work, and now I charge. I bought a new battery directly. Let's try out. So we removed the slide here. So technically now, clicking on the button, the first frame should come out. It works. Let's try it out.
そう分かんなかった。So first impression, absolutely reliable, even if it's a little bit heavy, but it's absolutely fun to use. Of course there is the limitation that the film has to be considered ISO 100 even if internally is 800, so sometimes it's not so easy to match the camera setting, and also the aperture is suggested to be f2, 2.8 or 4. Try to avoid to be over, but as you could see from the picture, technically they came out really good. And I used both the 50mm and the 24mm here. Great results, and also the the lens that allow to zoom in. Definitely it worth a try, and I think that now is you can buy that directly online because the Kickstarter is finished, even if here in Japan it seems like the new Kickstarter has just started. So as usual, till next time, stay click, bye.